Say cheese. How swapping cheddar for cottage cheese can enhance your weight loss journey. When it comes to weight loss, many people often think of restrictive diets filled with salads and soups, leaving little room for indulgent foods. However, the truth is that a weight loss diet doesn't have to be boring or devoid of flavor. One surprising swap that can significantly aid in your weight loss journey is replacing traditional cheeses like cheddar with cottage cheese. Packed with protein, low in calories, and rich in essential nutrients, cottage cheese offers a myriad of benefits that make it an ideal choice for those looking to shed pounds while still enjoying their meals. Cottage cheese, a weight loss ally. Cottage cheese, made from the loose curds of cow's milk, is an excellent source of protein compared to many other cheeses. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of low-fat cottage cheese contains only 23 calories, 3 grams of protein, and a minimal amount of fat and carbohydrates. This impressive nutritional profile makes it a perfect snack or meal addition for anyone trying to manage their weight. One of the most challenging aspects of a weight loss journey is portion control. As people reduce their calorie intake, cravings for snacks often arise, leading to potential derailment from their goals. Cottage cheese, with its creamy texture and high protein content, provides a satisfying indulgence without compromising calorie counts. Its satiating properties make it an excellent option for curbing hunger between meals. Scientific support for cottage cheese. Research supports the notion that cottage cheese can be just as filling as other protein-rich foods. A 2015 study found that participants who consumed cottage cheese reported similar levels of fullness as those who ate an omelette with comparable nutritional content. This finding highlights the effectiveness of high-protein foods in promoting satiety and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Nutritional powerhouse. Beyond its weight loss benefits, cottage cheese is also a nutritional powerhouse. It is rich in vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining healthy nerve and blood cells. Additionally, the calcium content in cottage cheese supports bone health and aids in proper nerve function. Phosphorus, another key mineral found in cottage cheese, works alongside calcium to strengthen bones and teeth, making this cheese beneficial for overall skeletal health. Furthermore, cottage cheese contains probiotics, which are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome aids digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and supports overall immune health. The probiotics in cottage cheese can help promote a healthy digestive system, making it an excellent addition to your diet. Muscle recovery and growth. For those engaged in regular exercise, cottage cheese can play a vital role in muscle recovery. The high protein content is particularly beneficial for supporting muscle growth and repair after workouts. Consuming cottage cheese post-workout or before bedtime can provide your body with the necessary nutrients to recover effectively, making it a smart choice for fitness enthusiasts. Creative ways to incorporate cottage cheese. Incorporating cottage cheese into your diet is both easy and enjoyable. Here are some creative ways to enjoy this versatile cheese. Breakfast bowl. Top cottage cheese with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Savory dishes. Use cottage cheese as a base for savory dishes, such as adding herbs and spices to create a flavorful dip or spread. Smoothies. Blend cottage cheese into smoothies for added creaminess and protein, making for a filling beverage. Pasta or rice dishes. Stir cottage cheese into pasta or rice dishes for a creamy texture and added nutritional value. Swapping traditional cheeses like cheddar for cottage cheese can be a game changer for those looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. With its high protein content, low calorie count, and rich array of nutrients, cottage cheese offers a delicious and satisfying alternative that can fit seamlessly into any diet. Whether you enjoy it as a snack, add it to meals, or use it in creative recipes, cottage cheese can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals while still indulging in flavorful foods. So, the next time someone asks you about your weight loss journey, don't hesitate to say cheese, especially if it's cottage cheese. Your body will thank you for it.